Okay, so if you've seen the other Ames hose handler belt replacement on YouTube, that style has slats that run down the sides. This style has the solid fill. The belts are a different size. If you order that 290 XL 025, it will be too long. What you need is a 270 XL 025. And you do not have to take the outside of the unit apart to access the belt replacement. All you need to do is take the Phillips head off the handle and remove that. Come over to the other side and flip this tab down so you can remove the hose adapter with its O-rings. Okay. Then you come inside, and once you're in here, the centerpiece will be in your way. And that centerpiece is held together by 4 screws, 1 in each corner on opposing sides, and they're just regular old Phillips screws. You take those out, you could take this apart inside of here. You have to do a little bit of wiggling, but once these sides are off and the handle's off, these are loose. And with enough wiggling, you get that out. That gives you access to the belt for this part. The really challenging piece is this, and this is not in the other video. I think there's a difference between the models, but the crux of it is this guy right here, this little plastic C-clip. Where that comes from, let me get some light in here, is right here in this corner. You take that plastic C-clip out of the groove right here, and what that allows you to do is slide this back, inner and outer shaft, which gives you access to pull that whole assembly out. And once you do that, you can pull it off of this side, and that's where you loop your belt over. Put your new belt on, fix everything in place, put this piece back in first, and then the trickiest part is actually just getting your center hub assembly back in there. But if you set this on its side, once you have them set in there, and so you have a little bit of friction holding it together, it'll go together really nice. And I will put the part number for the correct belt because, like I said, the 290 XL 025 will not fit this unit. You need a 270 XL 025 or equivalent. I bought this one for, I think, $2, and this is in May of 2023, so that's pretty good with the way prices are right now. I also used a little bit of super lube on the parts of the assembly that need lube, and I used just a little bit of mineral oil on the O-rings, just like you would for any other O-ring assembly, just to make it slot together easy. So hopefully that helps everybody out. This was the most difficult part, and it just slots right into the end. You clip it on there. There's 2 little grooves that take these teeth, and there's a groove on top that locates it. You can get it in there backwards, but you'll know it'll be too loose. So good luck, everybody. Enjoy fixing your $100 or $150 hose handler with a $2 belt, even though the company says it can't be done. Just as kind of a bonus follow-up, even though I already ended the video, I wasn't paying attention to what I was doing and I put this in here wrong. So if you want to see how that C-clip is in there, it's just this little piece right here. And if you grab one side of it, it'll pop up, and then you put your finger on the other side and you can pop it loose. And it gets kind of caught in there sometimes, but it'll come right out. And you can see if you look really closely, pull this all the way out here for you guys, that there's 2 collars. Let's take it all the way out of the housing. There we go. There's 2 collars in here. They both have to slide forward, and that's the groove for the top of the C-clip Beneath that, get it pulled out all the way here. There's 2 more grooves. There we go. Groove for the top of the C-clip, and the 2 little grooves that hold those 2 teeth I was talking about earlier. So hopefully that clarifies any questions anyone might have.